Hi, today I'm reviewing OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to connection and sharing, then click here to NFC section, and to activate NFC option you should click it on the switcher. To turn it off you should use the same switcher. Here you get tutorial how you could use the NFC feature. When the NFC is activated you could switch the default payment app if you got another payment application on your device. So also we got one more way how we could activate a turn off NFC. Just first open the notification panel shortcuts and find here NFC icon. So just to activate this option or to turn it off you should use this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings hold it and in the notifications NFC option sections hold this icon to launch the settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.